Namaskaram. A human does not have a value to anything given to him. He will only value a certain things when he would work hard to get it, to grab it. Then only he will have a certain value. Why is it so that this happens? In today's world, everything we are getting has a value to it. People think if you have money, if you have financial ability, you can get all the possible thing, right from education, right from wealth to this life. Have we taken a moment just to gratify that we are alive, we are living? When we eat food, you don't have the gratification of earning the food. Now imagine, for you to eat food, how many people are working hard to get it to your plate? A farmer has the most value to the grains he sow, to the fields he yield, because he works hard. He waits for months. He waits for months for just one drop of rain to fall on that crop, and then he waits for furthermore to wait for that crop to blossom, because he has gratified it. He is so thankful to the nature for giving him water. He is so thankful to Mother Earth for growing the crops. Do we take a moment to gratify and thank from where this food is coming? Who has grown this food for us? Who has helped it reach to our plates? No. You have paid the money, so I deserve this food. That's the attitude which is going on now. Why is it so? Do money can buy anything? No. We have made everything a commodity, be it be education or life. Nowadays, if you go and see a child who's studying in an educational institution which is quite international, he would have an attitude saying, my father or mother have paid the money, so this is a service I deserve. Do you think education is a service? It's a life-changing process which a teacher gives it to a student. They do not gratify this. One thing we are lacking now is the gratitude. First thing we must implement in this world, so that to make it a better place, so that to make it a happening place, so that to make it a place filled with love, joy and happiness, is one thing, that is gratitude. We must not teach the young ones, the generations after, that everything can be bought by money, you must earn money. No. Everybody must seek the grace of gratitude. We must all live under an umbrella called gratitude, and we must learn to gratify each moment of our life. Right from the air we breathe, right from the thing that we are still alive, we must gratify that. To a thing which you are getting, be it be food or education, the healthcare, everything. Everybody must gratify. And the gratitude is the only attitude you must have in your life. Seek the grace of gratitude, and we must all live in happiness and love. Thank you. Namaskar.